Good morning, class 12. How are you? Today we will discuss about preposition. The chapter name is preposition. Class 12. The chapter name is preposition. Preposition means show the relationship between noun or pronoun or any other words in a sentence. Preposition show the relationship between noun or pronouns and other words in a sentence. Means in, into, on, off, under, above, across, behind, near, etc. These are example of preposition. मतलब preposition का मतलब होता है नाउन या प्रोनाउन या सेंटेंस में कोई अदर वर्ड है उसका रिलेशनशिप क्या है, उसका रिलेशनशिप को शो करना ही प्रीपोजिशंस कहलाता है. Once again, I repeat the definition of preposition. The preposition show the relationship between noun or pronouns and other words in a sentence is called prepositions. Example: in, into, on, off, under, above, across, behind, near, etc. These are the symbol of these are the example of preposition. So we have to study today. The chapter name is preposition. More about prepositions. Let us discuss the correct use of some prepositions. Correct use of some prepositions. So look at the whole. Students, among, between, among and between. Both meaning is near about same. Among means बीच में, between means बीच. Here there are some for two people or things be used between. Two people or things be used between, and for more than two people or things, for more than two people or thing, and between only two people or thing. Means if यूज ऑफ एमंग करना हो तो दो से अधिक लोग हों या दो से अधिक वस्तुओं के बीच की बात की जाएगी तो वी यूज अमंग. और इफ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट ओनली टू पीपल और टू थिंग्स देन वी यूज बिटवीन. प्रीपोजिशन इज वेरी टफ एंड वेरी इजी. टफ भी है, इजी भी है. जब हम इसको डिफाइन कर लेंगे तो हमारे लिए इजी हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज इट मे बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर filling preposition in exercises or in any sentences. Such as Riya is standing between her friends and Riya is standing among her friends. Among her friends बहुत सारे friends उसके बीच में, और I am standing between Rohan and Sohan means अब सिर्फ दो की बात की जाए, रोहन और सोहन के बीच में मैं हूँ. Between का यूज, otherwise I am standing among all the boys or all the class, then we use among. Means two or more people or thing, we use among, and only two people or thing we use between. Second is into and in. Into and in. Into and in. In shows position in one place and into shows movement from one place to another. Means into means movement from one place, movement from one place to another, one place to another. And it means position in one place, position in one place. यदि एक प्लेस की पोजीशन को शो करना है देन वी यूज इन, यानी पोजीशन इन वन प्लेस देन वी यूज इन, अदरवाइज मूवमेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस यानी पोजीशन ऑफ मूवमेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेसेस देन वी यूज इनटू. मींस अ रनिंग कंडीशन, इनटू मींस इन रनिंग कंडीशन. फॉर एग्जांपल Vijay is jumping into the pool. Vijay is jumping into the pool. Vijay is jumping into the pool. Running condition into the pool. It's running condition. And he is in the room. He is in the room. It is one position. So if you have in one position then we use in, otherwise in running condition or from one place to another then we use into, then we use into. So it is the difference between into and in. So these are differences such as besides, beside. Beside means which is near you, जो आपके बगल में हो, and besides means except of. Besides means except of. Beside, oblique besides. Beside and besides. Beside means by the side of. Beside means by the side of. By the side of means near, and beside means adjacent to. That means in addition to. In addition to means except of. Come and sit beside me. Come and sit beside me. Come and sit beside me. Beside me. And second example is besides singing. Besides singing. Besides singing, I like to dance. I like to dance. Means beside means except of or in addition to, यानी सिंगिंग को छोड़कर I like to dance, मुझे डांस पसंद है. And come and sit beside me, मेरे पास आके बैठो. तो if you have by the side of then we use beside. If in addition to or except of then we use besides. Besides का मतलब होता है हिंदी में अतिरिक्त, यानी इस काम के अतिरिक्त मैं वो काम कर सकता हूँ, इसके अतिरिक्त वो कमरे में एंटर कर सकता है. Then we use besides, otherwise beside. So student, here there are three differences. It means more about preposition. First is among and between. Among means a lot of people and between means only two people or two things. Into, in shows position in one place and into shows movement from one place to another. And third is besides and beside. Beside means by the side of and besides means in addition to or in except. Clear? So the students read this chapter very carefully today's your homework is exercise B, or your homework is exercise G, HW. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. And send me. So the students, if you have any problem or any doubt in preposition chapter, then you ask me on my personal window, and your homework is fill exercise B. Fill exercise B. Fill in the blanks. So do it easily. Thank you.